Model 67-plate Vauxhall Movano L3H1 Cdti Luton low loader spares OR repairs body, white, Luton, box low loader mileage, 270195 MOT, the 6th of June 2024 engine, 2298 cc 2.3130 PS Cdti 6-speed transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, runs perfect slightly underpowered timing has jumped will need timing chain replacing gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features: 2 former keepers, cruise control, air con, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 ulez comliant HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.